beautiful people. I'm Nancy Ogbebo and you are welcome to my kitchen. Hope you all are doing great. Today let's make the simple scone recipe. So without further ado, let's dive right into the preparation. Okay, so I have my milk. I'll go ahead to add in my egg. I'm going to set it properly and I'm going to set this aside. Moving on to my dry ingredients, I have my flour. I'm using all-purpose flour for this. I'm going to be sieving this so to remove every unwanted particles and to help me work easily with the flour. So I'll add in baking powder and I'm going to sieve everything properly. Next I'll add in sugar and I'll mix everything together to combine beautifully. Next I'll go in with my margarine and I'm using a cold margarine. Okay, I'll mix everything till it forms a breadcrumbs, like just like this, the way you're seeing it on your screen. Next I'll go in with my milk and egg mixed together and I'll add in vanilla extract. So I'm going to mix everything and here I'm trying to form a dough. Thank you amazing people for always coming back to watch me. I truly appreciate all your support and I'm not taking your love for granted. And if you're coming across my video for the very first time, hello, you're welcome here. Here we make amazing recipe that you will love. Please subscribe, share this video to your friends and loved ones and stay connected. So all I'm doing here is to knead the dough a bit till it's a bit smooth. Don't over knead this. So I'll flatten it, and here my dough was too flat, so you want to let yours raise a bit. I would have used my cookies cutter, but the round shape I have is small and I wanted it a bit wide, so I had to go with some other things. I used this cup you're seeing, so any round shape can go for it. So I'm going to transfer it into my plate and I'm going to brush this with milk and egg. And this is a non-bake method. If you don't have oven, this is good for you. And if you want to bake this, go ahead to bake at this point. So I'll go ahead to transfer it into my pan and I'll cover this on a low heat so it cooks properly. Within 1 to 2 minutes, you flip and check. And voila, this was good. So after flipping this, cook this for 1 minute again on a low heat and you are done. You have very soft scone recipe that will leave you asking for more. This tasted so good. I love you to try it and let me know what you think about this video. Now go ahead to remove it from the pan and this is my final look. I'll see you in my next one. From me is bye.